It won't stop raining. I know I made a part 2. This is about 5 minutes later. I have to say, that siren is so annoying. The siren is literally right up the street. But maybe we can get something epic happening. Maybe those garbage bins will blow over. There's a branch in the street. It's supposed to be like this. It's about 8:36 p.m. Rain's letting up a bit, but I still hear the thunder kind. Oh, that is really rough. Yes, I know there's storms. We get the point. You can shut up about now. There's poodles. Literally, we just put grass seed on the front yard and then it's already going away. That tractor's covered with stuff. And it just faced the house. I don't know how long this will be, but it's all the way down the street, too. I thought it was going to shut off that time. Oh, you could really hear that, the thunder. That one was really loud. You can even hear it over the siren. I think the siren just turned off. So I guess that there's a good thing. It's a lot more quieter now. And my battery's low, so I should probably go charge it. Like I said, it did a number of spins. You can probably hear the thunder better now that the siren turned off. And just listen to that thunder. Close the screen. Literally, when I closed the screen, a bunch of water just flung off. Let me put the box fan back in here. I'm gonna go to sleep now.